Okay, this is a video of the car starting up. There's a slight like 1.5 second sound. It looks like a rattling or like a chain rattling, but that's what I think. I'm not sure. We'll take a look. Okay, there it was. I don't know if you heard it. It sounded like a little. It wasn't even a second. It was like more like half a second. But I did hear like a little rattling. Right now it's gonna start up, drive like normal. Then after around 15 minutes of driving, that same rattling, or there's another noise that comes on after 15 minutes. I'm not sure if that's after being warmed up or after just driving in general. But yeah, that noise does come back on. That's why I'm thinking it's probably like the chain tensioner or something related to the timing chain. I hope this video helps out in some way.